Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the problem 200 squared minus 199 squared. And to solve this problem, I actually have three different methods. So make sure to stick for all three of the methods to find out which one is the best one for you. So for method number one, what I'm going to do is rewrite 200 squared as 199 plus 1 squared. So now I have 199 plus 1 squared minus 199 squared. And if I have something in the form a plus b squared, this is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now this means that 199 plus 1 squared, this should equal 199 squared plus 2 times 199 times 1 plus 1 squared. And this is equal to 199 squared plus 398 plus 1, which is equal to 199 squared plus 399. So this means that 200 squared minus 199 squared is equal to, well, this right here is 200 squared. So 199 squared plus 139. And now I have this minus 199 squared. So 199 squared and negative 199 squared, these two cancel out. And all I'm left with is 139. Or sorry, this is actually 399. So then these two cancel out, and I'm left with 399. So this is my answer. Now for method number two, my problem was 200 squared minus 199 squared. And now for this method, what I'm going to do is rewrite 199 squared as 200 minus 1 squared. So in our first method, we wrote 200 squared as 199 plus 1 squared. This time we're going to rewrite 199 squared as 200 minus 1 squared. So now, if I have something in the form a minus b squared, this is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So 200 minus 1 squared is equal to 200 squared minus 2 times 200 times 1 plus 1 squared. And now this is equal to 200 squared minus 400 plus 1, which is equal to 200 squared minus 399. So this is the value of 199 squared. So 200 squared minus 199 squared is going to equal 200 squared minus 200 squared minus 399, which is equal to 200 squared minus 200 squared plus 399. So then these two cancel out, and then this is equal to 399. So that is my second method. And now finally for method number three, I have 200 squared minus 199 squared. And I know from methods 1 and 2, what I did was I rewrote either one of these, but now I'm simply going to just use a property that says a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. And I'm going to use this property on here. So this means that I get 200 plus 199 times 200 minus 199. 200 plus 199 is 399, and 200 minus 199 is simply 1. So I get 399 times 1, which is just 399. And as you can see, this is probably the most efficient out of the three methods because I've solved it the fastest. So whenever you see something in the form a number squared minus another number squared, always use this property because it's really helpful to solving the problem fast. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the equation x squared minus x to the power of 3 is equal to 12. So to start, our only variable is x in this equation. So I want to find the value of x. And for my solution, I'm going to first start by rewriting 12 as 4 plus 8. So I get x squared minus x to the power of 3 is equal to 4 plus 8. And the reason I did that was because 4 is the same thing as 2 squared, and 8 is the same thing as 2 to the power of 3. So notice I have a number squared minus a number to the power of 3, and then I have a number squared plus that same number to the power of 3. Now I'm going to subtract 2 squared on both sides and 2 to the power of 3 on both sides. So then these two cancel out, and I get x squared minus x to the power of 3 minus 2 squared minus 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. Now I'm going to group all the powers of 3's and the powers of 2's together. So I get x squared minus 2 squared minus x to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. So if I have something in the form a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So x squared minus 2 squared is going to equal x plus 2 times x minus 2. And now if I have something in the form a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3, this is going to equal a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. And these two properties are really important in algebra, so I would recommend memorizing them. So now I get x plus 2 times x minus 2 minus x plus 2 times x squared minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now notice how both of these terms have x plus 2 in them. So if I factor out x plus 2, I get x plus 2 times x minus 2 minus x squared minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. And this turns into x plus 2 times x minus 2 minus x squared plus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0, which equals to x plus 2 times negative x squared plus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0, which turns into x squared minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Sorry, it's not. This is still negative x squared plus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now from here, this gives me two equations. X plus 2 is equal to 0, and negative x squared plus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. So for x plus 2 equals 0, I can subtract 2 on both sides, and I get x is equal to negative 2. Now for negative x squared plus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0, now I can divide both sides by negative 1. So I get x squared minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. So now to solve this quadratic equation, I can use the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So I get 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus 4 times 1 times 6 all over 2a, so 2 times 1, which is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus 24 over 2, which is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of negative 15 over 2, which is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 15i over 2. So these are two other solutions to my equation.